Hey guys, welcome to my space on the internet. It is your girl Sugar and it is a vlog. Okay, you guys, this is the start of a new vlog, and today I have tons of things to do. First of all, I have a quick what's it called? I have a quick stopover at work. Okay, there's a brief, like a meeting or an event that is going on, and they need my media services, of course. After that, I'm supposed to go for a food sampling event. But yeah, you guys, I just want to carry you guys along with me. Hmm? Let me see if I can show you guys what I'm wearing. I can't get the full outfit. Okay, you guys, I'm not wearing my shoe yet, but this is what I'm wearing. Okay, I'm wearing slippers. What the shoe I'm going to be wearing is inside here. Literally, you guys, I just want to wear this to be a bit more comfortable. Out while I'm at work, I'm going to change into my shoes. But yeah, this is what your girl looks like. So come with me, let's go. Hey guys, start of another day. Okay, and I couldn't go for the food sampling the other day because I actually missed the date, so it's eventually going to be today. So you guys, I woke up this morning to purging. You guys, I've been purging and now I am starving. So I want to quickly go to one of these bookers or stuff around my place of work to get something to eat. Hey guys, see what just came in from Jumia. So I placed this order when that was about 5 days ago, about 6 days ago anyway. This thing was just a random buy. I redeemed my coupon from Panel Station, a site that pays you to take surveys. Those points are now converted into Naira vouchers that you can use to shop on Jumia. And randomly, okay, and impulsively, because I wanted to redeem it that day, I don't even know what was happening to me that day. I decided to quickly, redeem the coupon just to give it a try, because the only time I have ever cashed out from that app was many years ago until I became active last year, even if I've not been taking surveys as consistently. But I decided to redeem the points that I have on that app. If you'd like to know the app, okay, I'm going to leave it in the comment section below and in the description area. If you need an app where you can make money, just answer questions or ask you questions from time to time, 2 to 3 times, 5 times in a day. Your points will accumulate and then you can convert it to vouchers to use to shop online or as recharge card. At least you're sure that you have data for filming, creating your content for a content creator, or to surf through the internet if you are not a content creator. So you guys, this just came in now from Jumia. This is our first order of the year, and hopefully there are others to come. I'm not going to tell you where they are coming from, but yeah, they'll be here soon. Yeah, so let's open this up. Let me tell you guys, I don't even know if it's a cleanser now or a lotion or a face moisturizer that I ooh the CeraVe acne control cleanser. Yes, that contains 2% salicylic acid acne treatment. I think it's not a bad idea because I was already actually looking forward to this. But honestly, you guys, from this thing that they showed me here in Cherigodi, I feel like what I ordered is supposed to be bigger than this. And this is the 237 ml, but it's looking smaller than what I ordered for. But like, guys, this is it. Can you hear it? Is that not how they used to do it? I just came on here to share this with you guys. In a matter of an hour, I'm going to be going out for an event that I have. You must have been hearing me talk about it from the beginning of this vlog. Okay, so it's almost time, and you guys, this is what I'm going to be wearing. I don't even have strength for all those stress and shenanigans things. This is what I am wearing, you guys. uh you guys, I'm here dancing, but see, I've been having a running stomach since morning. Honestly, you guys, I don't know how I'm going to do it. And it's not today or 4 days that I have a food tasting or food sampling event. It's when Afon and Nasasim, I want to run, but God is gonna make it. We're gonna do something. And I am not even a very adventurous person when it comes to trying new foods. And I'm hoping that it's not particularly a very strange food, okay, that will be really alien to my palette. Hopefully, you guys. So let's keep our fingers crossed. See you at the event.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you.
So hey guys, I am here. We are here. Okay, you guys. I am at Raffia Palms, Abuja. See, it's been like over a year since I came here. I think it's been almost over a year actually, because it's been a year since I lost my mom, and shortly before my mom died. I know that for the better part of that year. In fact, it's been 2 years since I visited here last. And you guys, this place used to be my favorite spot to get abacha, to get nkwobi, and to eat their pepper soup because it is always delicious and tantalizing. Okay, you guys. But for some reason, I never seem to just come around here. We started exploring other places. I introduced a lot of people, a lot of content creators to this space, and you guys, it feels so surreal. I mean, a few advancements or enhancements, if you like to call it that, has been done since the last time I got there. Okay, but yeah, you guys, I just like the local, kind of vibes. And I know that in the evenings at night, they always have like a lot of activities. You guys, let me drop this thing here because it's raining. So I know that in the evenings they always have like some of all these activities that go on here. There's usually karaoke, there's usually a live DJ, sometimes live band, and all those amazing stuff, you guys. So I'm just excited to be here again. Let's see what they have in stock for me. I am here. I am here. Oh, okay, you guys. Just take a look at those flower pots. They are so cute and they are arranged in a of so and then where they have the television. I love, 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 love. I love.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. off your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. There's a limit to what a heart can take. I love you, know the need, say I decree. To the days your love was great. A broken glass cannot be fixed. How did our beauty turn so odd?
Food is ready.